Now, the First Coast's most accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, certified by WeatherRate. Sponsored by AC Designs.
Tropical storm Melissa has formed in the Caribbean, and yes, this is the cone. It is a mess. It is extremely wide because there's a lot of uncertainty on where it's going to go. Remember, the cone shows you where the center of the storm could be, and there are some models that bring it here to the north quickly and some that move it west and then turn it to the north. So that is why the cone is so wide. Here you can kind of see the center line. A lot of models too also showing it going to the west, then the north, then the west again, and then the north, and then eventually the northeast. So lots of uncertainty on exactly where Melissa is going to go. What I will tell you is that looking at all of these models, they do not bring it to the First Coast. So right now there's no direct threats to us here locally, but what a mess this is. You can see there with all the spaghetti models, all the different directions that Melissa could go. So just to break down the GFS versus the European model, the GFS model brings it over places like Hispaniola, maybe even Puerto Rico, over the weekend on Saturday. Meanwhile, the European keeping it weaker and still meandering out here in the Caribbean. So the GFS pulls it away by early next week. Meanwhile, the European has it impacting places like Jamaica and Cuba by next Wednesday. So a week and some change out. And from there, it continues to move to the northeast. So at least both of those not moving it here over the First Coast, but still a lot of uncertainty. So please check back in. Meanwhile, right now we do have a hurricane watch for portions of Haiti and a tropical storm watch for portions of Jamaica. Besides Melissa, no other areas out here in the tropics that we are watching. So locally, it is nice and quiet and calm. We have lots of sunshine. Temperatures still comfortable here in the noon hour. Most of us in the 70s. Places like Keystone Heights and Palm Coast coming in the low 80s. I do think a lot of you will move into the 80s for your high temperatures today, but again, staying comfortable. So maybe you want to bring your dinner outdoors. I do suggest it. We're still going to be in the 80s by around 5 o'clock and then dropping down into the middle 70s after sunset, so 7 o'clock and later. Overnight tonight, our lows going to land in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees, not as chilly tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, another beautiful day, comfortable temperatures back up into the low and middle 80s. Then it's tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Thursday morning is the chilly morning that you absolutely need a jacket. Some of you inland will be in the 40s to start Thursday morning. Others of you along the coast, the 50s, but you will notice that chill in the air. Then our temperatures do start to rise for the morning lows, but our afternoon highs not getting back into the 80s. You can see here that we will be staying in the 70s. So for your most accurate 7-day forecast, looking ahead to the weekend, we do have the Sea and Sky Air Show. It will be breezy out there, highs staying in the 70s.